Swimsuit, okay. Swimming cap, okay. Swimming goggles, okay. Warming up, okay. And now, let's learn how to breathe first. Underwater, out of water. Underwater, out of water. Splish, splash, it's so fun. Time to swim.
Now let the swimming begin. Feel free to swim as you like. Ready? Go!
Tummy up. On the water.
Move your arms like a windmill. Backstroke. Arms and legs. Fold and spread. Fold and spread. Swim like a frog. Breaststroke.
Big circle with your arms. Push with your feet.
Fly like a butterfly. Butterfly stroke.
Oh, is that freestyle swimming? That's so fast!